Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, and today we're going to be unboxing a YJ Guanlong Square 1. So the box is kind of broken, but that's fine. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So I was actually really excited to get the Square 1 because it would be my first shape-shifting puzzle. So let's do some first turns. Whoa, this is amazing. So it is bandaged. That's really cool. So it's got a pamphlet for it too. I heard these are really easy to solve. So I do not understand the flash minus these ones. I do not understand it. But anyways, this is a really good puzzle. This was $6 on Amazon. I mean $5. Does it do the checkerboard pattern? Oh yes, it does. So came with the stand, which is came with the stand, which is pretty nice. G-Fantix almost works for everyone. Now I have 3 G-Fantix stand puzzles, and this looks pretty nice. Very high quality stickers, and I would recommend this puzzle if you are a beginner. So, and I'm not going to be introducing my 4x4 anymore because it kind of exploded. So we're going to get a new one from Amazon soon. Yeah. And this actually came early because this was supposed to come tomorrow. But overall, it turns pretty nice. It cannot do 45. And if you go a little down, it actually shape shifts that. So, nice review. Bye, and I'll see you guys later.